What's up, guys? Decided to try to bring you guys some better high resolution quality stuff. So I'm using some of my gadgets and gadgets, and I'm letting my girl help me. We'll see if she blows the mission or not.
I can do it.
We'll find out. So going to the outside range today. Try to get you guys some range footage in, but the place that we're going, the ammo is kind of high, and I'm kind of low on ammo, so I don't know. This is my first time finding this place, the Southern Sportsman's Outlet. Found them on Google. Can't say I know a lot about them. First time going in here, but let's see if they got some ammo. They do have concealed weapons classes for $45. So we may be talking to them, talking about my girl signing up. So let's see if she blows the mission or not. Fans are falling down, so I'm gonna see if they got a everyday carry gun in here while I'm here. And I'll be wearing my cloth belts stuff.
I didn't know there was a name for your belts.
It's okay. How you doing?
Whatever.
All right. Gotta be discreet when you're doing it.
I am. I'm like playing with
How you
this.
doing?
At least I'm trying to.
I don't know a lot about the shop, but I do know that I'm looking for some ammunition.
Okay.
We're getting ready to go to. We're going to go to the outside range. Gallery. Not gallery. Gateway.
Gateway, yeah.
Yeah. We're still new to the area, so I'm still learning all this stuff.
Sure,
How you doing, sir?
sure.
So basically, I'm just looking for some 9mm ammunition.
Tom here.
Tom, Mr. Tom,
Yeah.
what we after?
He wants some ammo for 9.
How you doing, sir?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't have any? Maybe out.
Got any 9?
Oh my God. Like all of Jacksonville.
Yeah. Crazy.
What's going on?
Well, I mean, I guess
Everything's out.
The panic isn't over yet, I guess.
Well, the pandemic, yeah.
You're right.
And
Okay.
more first-time buyers of firearms
Yes.
in the history of Florida.
That part I did.
Wow.
A friend of mine called around to try to get a Glock 43, so I just bought one a couple weeks ago. But and then there's this place on I'm still learning the area, Blanding. It's like a pawn shop. They're charging like $90 for a box of 50 round ammo. Yes, I just while I was talking to him, I just Googled it while we were talking. The exact same box is $28 on it was $6 ammo. It was $28 on SIG's website.
You don't blame me. It'd be a big
It's a pawn shop. It's like a 2-story pawn shop. It's kind of small.
Oh, you're talking about...
The guy has a little sign outside like, we got ammo. And
You're talking about St. Nick's.
No, not St. Nick's. It's about a mile down the road from St. Nick's on the left-hand side. So if you leave St. Nick's parking lot, make a right and go down about a mile and a half.
Heading towards like the 10.
I'm still new to the area, but it is heading toward the 10. So there's like a little shopping center across the street, and the parking lot for this pawn shop, it's hardly enough to park 5 cars over. This place is so small. But yeah, long story short, $30 box of ammo, he's selling for like $90. So I'm like, I mean, I understand you're gonna mark up just a little bit. You gotta make some money, but come on, buddy, like $60? Yeah.
Typically, SIG ammo in and of itself does tend to cost a couple of bucks because it's the name.
Right, you're paying for it. You guys know when you get another shipment in?
I'm currently dealing with my warehouse right now to try to order some.
Okay.
As soon as I can place this order, ideally we'll probably have about 2,500 rounds coming.
Okay.
Probably about a week and a half.
Okay.
Order and ship.
Okay. Can we pre-order? I mean,
Normally I would say give me like a day or two and call
Okay,
me back.
I'll give you a call.
I send him a list of, hey man, this is what I want.
Okay.
And as opposed to what that list is in stock of when he gets,
That's him, John.
Okay.
he's basically gonna call me back and go, hey, yeah, half that list you sent me, no, it's not gonna happen.
Okay. Is there anywhere else in the area that I could shoot iron targets still? Get a pretty noise when they hit?
You can go to Gateway off 100.
Yeah, that's where I was actually on the way to. Yeah.
You can go to Saltwater in St. Augustine.
I read about them, heard good things
Ancient
about them.
City in St.
Heard about
Augustine.
them.
They're off of 16 and 95.
Right. Okay.
Gun Gallery's an indoor range. They
Yeah, I
got
shot there. I actually
targets.
bought my Glock 43 from them.
On Target and Wells is an indoor range.
Okay. This is pretty much all the places I can move.
Yeah.
I saw them Google it. Okay.
And then you can always, it's a little bit of a hike and a little bit of a mission, but you can always buy your own steel targets. And you can go out to, the National Forest out towards Lake City.
National Forest,
And
okay.
you can set your own targets up and shoot out there.
You still recording?
Yes.
Oh, that's right. I'll turn it off.
I was trying to be secret.
So, all right. So today's gonna turn into one of those fucking days. All right. So we want to go to the range, but we don't have any ammo.
Right.
I mean, I have ammo. I got hollow points. I probably got about I'm not sure how many rounds of hollow point ammunition I have, but I probably got like I got ammunition for the house, but for shooting targets and stuff like that, I don't have any ammo. So we were on the way to go shoot to make you guys some cool videos, and we'll try one more place. So stay tuned.
Let's try.
All right, so today's not really going according to plan. Matter of fact, let me take this off. Today didn't really go according to plan. We were gonna go to the gun range today. I know you guys are ready to see some gun range videos. You've been pretty supportive of listening to me talk about everything in the world. Y'all like, Nate, we want to see some action, baby. We fell in love with you and your girls. Y'all was out there busting up guns. Y'all look like y'all was about to fuck up a bank robbery and go to jail because y'all know what y'all was doing. But you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to redeem myself. You know, put some work in, but dude, I can't find no ammo. So what I'm gonna do is go home and just order some. Probably order like 500 rounds. So we'll look around for that. But I'll tell you about another one of my loves that I haven't shared with y'all yet.
Me. Wait,
Oh,
you
this
shared
is
me. You
y'all
shared me.
too.
You're right. I'm gonna shut up now.
Right. So another one of my loves that I have not shared with you guys yet is I'm a cigar junkie. I'm not a cigar aficionado, but I enjoy a good cigar. My lips like.
I can't. No, they're not.
All right, so place down here. We've been living in Jacksonville. We usually go to another place, but it's a place called Island Girl. You'll see it in a second, man. I don't remember the name of it. But anyway, never been before, so I figured, why not go grab a cigar and a drink with my girl and figure out what's coming next after that. So go walk in there real quick, see what's going on. What's up, buddy?
Hi.
Walk in there real quick, see what's going on.
Yes.
Hold on, baby. Say hi to my man right there. How you doing? No, just say hi.
Hey.
That's okay. No worries. What's up? I don't, my man. All I got is my card on, so I'm sorry about that. But you'll see me again. All right. So we'll go in here and get a drink and a cigar, and we'll figure out what comes next, man. So just for you who don't know, some of y'all small, big. Anytime anyone calls me, "Hey, big man," they about to ask me for shit. It's been going on my whole life, so I already do that shit. So anyway,
You don't got nothing for a sandwich? You can get a sandwich? Then I'm obviously recording.
That's true. All right. How you doing?
I know, adjust your eyes.
That's okay.
Hi.
How you doing? It's our first
Hi.
time here, so.
Hi, welcome. Are you into cigars?
Yes.
We're taking on the big one.
Take this forward. Too.
Hey.
Super secret.
Oh, okay. I see y'all got the lock action going on. Okay.
A lot of good stuff in here.
Okay, good.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Look at all that.
Alright,
The
so talk
goodies.
to me about your normal brands and
Normally, I just started smoking one called Super Bad. I forgot who makes Super Bad.
super bad or super fly?
Super Fly. Shit, that's right. Super Bad.
You know.
Who makes these? Oscar? Okay, Oscar Ballad, that is. Okay, cool. Anything Patron, anything, what's the name of the other company I like? I'm not looking very aficionado right now.
Joe Frente,
Yes.
Rocky Patel.
Yes.
yeah.
No, I don't like Rocky Patel.
Okay.
More anything Padron, anything My Father.
I love My Father.
Yeah, anything. It's good.
So you're into
Father's
like
Day just passed.
peppery stuff?
Yes, peppery, Maduro, rich, full body.
Okay.
Yeah. She likes stuff that smells good.
And I like flavors.
I got you.
I feel out of place
Okay.
right now. Just
Okay.
whatever tastes good.
This is Marie.
Hi.
Yes.
I'm gonna give you a link to my YouTube channel.
Oh,
So,
go for it. I can't wait.
All right.
And I'll
so,
subscribe.
tell us some great stuff, man.
Yeah, so we just got these.
This is so working out, right? Am I good?
Yay!
I'm so good. So let me fill you in real quick.
Okay.
So my gun channel accidentally my YouTube channel turned into a gun channel, even though it's not what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
We were going to go do some shooting today, but we can't find any ammunition. So I was like,
Interesting.
yeah,
Right.
so let's do something fun. So I've been thinking about somewhere going to do something with cigars since I moved in the area. I haven't yet. So I was like, this place looks cool. I've seen you guys a bunch, but
How long have you been
come
here?
down. We moved down in October.
Okay.
Yeah, she's from California. I'm from Georgia. to DC to back to now I'm from
Coast.
Florida. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so yes, please.
Okay,
tell us
so
things.
welcome to Island Girl.
Thank you. Island Girl.
Yes.
Just link in the description.
Island girl. Island girl.
Okay,
Okay.
that's all right.
We do have 3 other stores with the same owner. One in Neptune Beach,
Okay.
one in Mayport, and one in Fleming Island.
Okay, I actually saw the one in Mayport when we were
Oh, you did?
over that area the other day. I saw
Oh,
it driving down.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
So we just got a new Cohiba in
Yes.
that I've already sold 3 of today.
I'm gonna have to try it because I like Cohiba.
It's got cedar.
Where we at? Right here, Cohiba?
Yes, in that red.
Okay,
And it's
what's
like
that?
Oh, the
cedar
red.
times, and it was not bad.
I want to try this one.
Yep.
I want to try
Which one is that, babe?
your Ruby Blues too.
Nice.
Crazy Alice's are cool. Again, they're kind
I
of
like the
same
name.
level. Yeah. Fat Bottom Betties.
I like that
Wine,
name. Fat Bottom Patties. That's my new.
Deadwood Tobacco.
Okay, I'm gonna find a new fade besides the Tatiana's that I
And then, did you want to try one of these blondies?
Yeah.
Those are great.
Okay.
The Ambrosia is really good.
You've had the blonde. No, you haven't had that.
This. No, I have not.
No, you did. I bought you those before. It was a bigger one. It's from Acid. It's blondie. I bought you that one before. You like the you usually smoke the fusion, like the fusion acid.
Holistic ones?
Just got these guys in too.
I think it smells really nice. It smells really nice. The one that Acid makes, it's like a. Where's it at? It's not liquid. It's not Kumba, what Bumba, whatever.
got the blend.
Yeah, whatever. It's fine. She'll try new ones. She's had them before.
Alice does have these cute little Cetos.
Oh my god.
I don't know what the flavor is of them. It's just
So that's cool. These are fun.
Okay, but yes, baby, whatever you want.
Okay, alright. Did we do it? Yes.
We did good. We're good. So we got 3. You got a couple. All right, we're good. All right. Do you make drinks too?
yeah.
Oh, we're about to hang with you.
Right.
It's gonna be a good day. Oh yeah, you know what? Because I left my whole kit at home because we thought we were going to the gun range and not a cigar spot. So that'd be cool. I think I want to try the what is that one I got right here? You can put a V cut on this one for me. Yeah, I'll do that one.
Like I know what I'm talking about.
So how long has Island Girl been here?
Me?
You and Island Girl. This is a dope place. It's a dope spot.
So I think it's been about 2 years since our owner purchased Island Girl from Downtown Cigar Lounge,
Okay.
and we stole the bartender. He's been here days.
Okay.
He came with the building.
All right. Is he here today?
No, it's just me.
All right. That's okay. I know you can make me a good drink. I'm gonna have a good drink.
Ready. Yes.
Absolutely.
But like again, we have stores. The original Island Girl was on Gate Parkway,
Okay.
and then they have branched from there.
Okay.
There's 2 Island Girls that are different owners than our 4, but there's 6.
Okay. We're probably gonna do a tab because we're gonna have a few drinks. So if you don't want to ring it up yet, you don't have to, or we'll do it all at once. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got this guy for you.
Cool beans. All right. Nice. You want to try what? What are you trying? Why are you trying anything? Because what? You know what you're doing. All right. So I'm gonna.
Oh, I'm gonna grab you another one of these because this head is.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you.
So I'm gonna leave this right.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right. I'm gonna look around while you do that. Give her a.
What is the difference?
Give her a V cut. Let her tell you about the cuts, but give her a V cut.
Okay, so straight cut is gonna draw the whole
Okay.
outward, right?
Okay.
The V cut is like a medium situation. Who doesn't like a good V?
Okay.
But you'll be able to pull through parts of the wrapper too.
Okay.
Because it'll have the little edges.
Yeah.
A punch is just like a little punch.
Little whole like okay.
Yeah. So less draw, a little more flavor.
Okay.
You know, it's a little more. But these are good.
Babe, I literally just read this sign up on the wall up there. It said if your feet can't touch the bar when you're sitting down, you can't sit at the bar. So we better. Yeah. we better.
To find the wrapper and the filler.
This
Get
is
a
the-
couple puffs for me.
Thank you.
Let me finish it off. Boom, easy.
Excellent. This is going to be very. Where's the thing at? Very good.
That thing is hard to remember sometimes. I'm like, wait.
It's starting to carry around like a huge
Mm-hmm.
All right, do not inhale it, or you'll have a bad time. Couple puffs. Yeah.
Don't you-
Squirrel cheeks.
Don't you embarrass me.
Those
Fill
are
them
acceptable.
up. Thank you so much. All right, we're gonna take a quick cut as I can charge this thing up. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cool. He said low battery. All right. So it was a good day.
Hi.
I know you guys haven't seen everything that happened, but
I'm a little tipsy right now.
you're a little tipsy?
Just a little bit.
Yeah?
Because I'm a lightweight.
Let her sell you a house.
I had like 2 beers.
Call it tipsy house selling. Stop by. We stop by here first. All right. Okay.
Personal bottle for everybody. All right, let's do this.
Just a lot more houses.
Right.
My thing, right? I can be
All right.
a cool realtor.
All right, I'm gonna put it on me now. All right, so we had a great time. We met some great people.
Okay, I'll get out of
There's
here.
her.
Sorry. Hi.
There's that. We didn't get to go to the range today, but we met some good people. We had some good cigars. We had some beer. We learned more about Jacksonville.
Yes.
So it's been a good day.
Yes.
So thank you guys for taking time out for us. You guys look down in the, where's the light at? You look down in the link in the description, see where we are. Come get some drinks here and get some cigars. It was a good day. It was a good day, baby.
Yes, it was.
It was a good day. So I know I told y'all we was done recording for the day. But one of the things about dating a woman who lifts weights is that baby like to eat.
Yes, I do.
So we're going to one of our favorite little happy hour spots. I'm about to grab a bite to eat. Yeah. So this will be the last video that y'all will see today of us. We about to get in here and eat these vittles. We about to eat these vittles.
Yes.
Get that baby something to eat.
Yes.
Cause that baby like to eat. That's all she like to do.
I
Is
have a
eat.
wedgie.
You do have a wedgie. Ooh, did you just pull that thing on out? Pull that thing on out. I like the better wedged up. Day today. Hawkers.
Sit by me.
I get to sit by you? Oh, shit, it's gonna be a good day if I get. Didn't we sit here last time?
Yes.
I think you sitting in my spot.
I think I am too.
Let's see what we got here.
That's okay. This is the drinks.
Give me that drink.
Remember
We had like 2
we took
drinks.
that picture with that one drink.
It's like a Buddha, like it's a Buddha glass.
Tiki.
Yeah, it's true. So,
I think I want that.
I feel like you ate something with a fork.
I want crispy tofu bites.
Where you see that
It
at?
was something like right there, but I kind of want. Hold on. God damn it! What did I get?
Oh, I know what I had. The twice fried wings.
Twice. That sounds familiar.
Yes. I will be having those.
Whatever.
Don't be a hater all your life.
Shut up. Thin rice noodles with yellow curry. I'm gonna hold the chicken breast.
Oh, thank you. You were quick.
Oh, thanks.
What's the drink menu? Let's figure out the drinks real
That's
quick.
the drinks right here. Yeah,
All
this
right.
is the drink menu.
Let's do.
What do we do?
What do you recommend?
Well, what do you like? Liquor.
She likes sweet.
Yeah.
I like strong.
Sake berries, pretty sweet. It's like a strawberry, like sake flavor.
Ooh, that
Okay,
sounds good.
give her that.
Yep, I'll have that.
And you like strong.
Yeah.
OG painkillers, kind of.
I just like the name of that. Bring me that.
Alright, I'll get that for you.
All right, OG painkiller. OG. Triple OG. I'm having that.
God. And I'm having, what did I just get?
You getting that. Sake
Yeah,
berry.
sake berry.
All right, guys. So we're super hungry. So I'm gonna let you see what we're eating before I get ready to get off this thing. This is some kind of
It's tofu and vegetables.
tofu and vegetables, some kind of weird vegan dish
Shut up.
that she eats. This is a soup that I'm getting. It's got some shrimp and some chicken in it. I got some chicken wings coming.
I got some.
That's why I like this place, Hawkers, man. We got this cool drink. We may steal this glass.
Don't be like my aunt. She would literally steal stuff off.
Steal the glass.
Yes.
All right. So I appreciate y'all showing us all the love. Look at my drunk ass baby drinking her drink, and Yeah, man, it's been a good day, man. It's been a blessing, man. So, yep.
I still want to go shooting though.
We're gonna go shoot, man. We gotta get some ammunition first.
That's true.
All right. So, listen. In closing, thank y'all for showing us the love. It's been a good day. I'm sorry I couldn't get y'all some shooting stuff done today, but I did try. Went to 4 different places, called 6 places in total. But I'm gonna have to order some ammunition for us, guys. So thank y'all for bearing with us today. Please go check out her Instagram. Excuse me, not her Instagram, but you can go over there. I will put it in there since I said it. You can see her Instagram page. Please check out her YouTube channel. You'll see me on there. We'll be talking about real estate. You get to watch her real estate adventures. Thank y'all for the support. And we about to eat, man. So
Yes.
I'll let y'all later.
Bye, guys.
Peace. Like, comment, subscribe, hit them notifications.